such a pain. Hi, welcome back to my channel, Accidental Beauty. If you guys are new, welcome. My name is Laura. I post videos once a week, mainly about makeup and sometimes about hair, fashion, lifestyle, beauty, all that good stuff. So if that sounds interesting to you, then please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification button so you guys get updates whenever I upload a new video. I'm also on Instagram and Twitter. I've got links for all my social media accounts, affiliate links, discount codes, all that in the description box below. So I would really appreciate it if you guys could follow me there and check out all those links. That would be highly appreciated. Today I'm going to be doing a full first impressions review, try on, all that, of the Ardell 3D Faux Mink lashes in the style 854. This is just what the box looks like because I have them on right now. If you guys want to see my full first impression review, all that, then please keep on watching. Okay, so just a quick thing before I go into measuring them, trying them on, all that. I have tried many Ardell false lash styles. They're readily available at pretty much any place that you can go to get false lashes. They're probably there. So they're just really easily accessible for me. So I've tried a lot of styles. And then in addition to that, I've also tried one or two of the Faux Mink line of theirs. Really like them. I tried either the 811s or 812s. I can't remember offhand which one it was. I'll put it up somewhere. Really love those lashes. They're so delicate because of the way that they're constructed. I'll kind of talk more about that later in the video, but some of my favorite lashes ever. So I saw these every time I go to the drugstore or whatever. I always like to look at the false lash section, see if they have any new styles, see if anything's on sale, that sort of thing. So I've been seeing the 3D Faux Mink ones recently. Seems like they're a new extension to the Faux Mink line, and they seem just kind of bigger, more dramatic, and I just absolutely love that. So I saw these and okay, I follow a lot of cosplayers and e-girls, I don't know how else to describe it, and all of them use similar types of lashes, just kind of big, bold, but sort of tapered lashes. And I've been trying to find these everywhere. Not a lot of companies seem to make lashes in that style. I mean, there's tons of companies on AliExpress, but I haven't seen a style like this in store. I've also been looking a lot at Rouge and Rogue lashes. I just haven't had the guts to actually spend the money on them because they are a little bit pricey. I don't remember offhand if they have free shipping to Canada, so that's another cost, but they absolutely look gorgeous. They're just big, bold, dramatic, and spiky, but in a, I don't know, in a very flattering way. Kind of if you took normal lashes and just put those on steroids. So it's just big, bold, but still a natural flow of lashes. Anyways, I've been looking for lashes like that are kind of affordable and readily available. So when I saw these in the drugstore, I thought oh my god, I got really excited because these are exactly the style that I've been looking for, and they were right there. So I bought them. I think it's really great that Ardell is expanding into kind of different styles. I mean, they're already kind of the go-to for false lashes just because they're so readily available in drugstores and they're relatively affordable, but I think it's great that they're expanding into bigger and bolder styles while still, I guess, still trying to look realistic, even though they're obviously so bold and dramatic, rather than just looking fake, if that makes sense. So anyways, let's just go into the try on. Alright, so this is just what they look like in the package. I've opened it once just to kind of look at them, realized they were too big for my eyes, and then I was okay, I'll save these for another day. So today is another day. It's really a shame because these are so beautiful and I don't want to trim them, but they're a little bit too big for my eyes. So I'll just have to measure them again. Actually, you know what? The more I look at them, I feel like they're close to being the right size. Put a little bit of glue on it and just see if I can get away with wearing them without trimming them. I think for a look like this, I might be able to get away with wearing it at full length, although it kind of sticks up a little bit, which is kind of annoying. But I just love the way that it gets really bold and dramatic towards the end, but I like how natural it is at the beginning, so I really don't want to trim it. Okay, yeah, I think I'm gonna have to trim these because they don't seem to be sticking well. Something about this band, or I don't know what it is, but it like they just seem to lie flat rather than curl. Okay, I'm just gonna let that dry. I'm gonna just go over my actual lashes with mascara because it kind of looks like some of the Drug Lord underneath got on them. Hopefully that'll help them blend with the false lashes a bit better. I mean, I know I have a really dramatic look on, but I feel like, oh my god, these work so perfectly. I feel like look at them from the side. Like I feel like they're even more dramatic on than they were in the package. They're stunning. I love them so much. As I mentioned before, I have used other lashes from the Faux Mink line, and what I like about these that I didn't like about some of the other ones, and I don't know if this is just a feature of the 3D line or if this is just something that they're going to do from now on, but I like that the band is a lot thicker on these ones than they are on the other Faux Mink ones. I've used, it's either the 811 or 812s, I can't remember which one offhand, but I'll just put it up on screen. Those ones are like, they're some of my favorite lashes because they're so natural while also giving you a little bit of like drama to your look. But the band is so thin, it's basically just like a clear elastic band instead of like kind of like a more like thick plastic that a lot of other lashes use. Even some of the other Ardell ones use just like a thick black plastic band. And while I like that the other Faux Mink ones use that clear band because it blends in easier with your lashes, it's lighter, it's more lightweight when it's sitting on top of your lashes, it is so difficult to clean because if you get any sort of bits of like dried lash glue on there and you try and pull it off, you'll just break the whole thing. Like I've done that with so many pairs of them, and they're not cheap either. They're like $10 or $15, and if you only get like a few wears out of them, like, I don't know, in my opinion, it's not worth it. So I feel like because these have a thicker band, they'll be easier to clean and therefore will last longer. I really try and stretch my lashes like until they're pretty much on their last legs. Like they're falling apart, there's like lashes missing in the middle. Like I really try and use them as long as I can. So I'm really looking forward to doing more looks with these lashes. I think they're absolutely stunning and I highly, highly recommend them. These are literally like an 11 out of 5. Like they're so good. I really, really recommend these if you do any kind of like bold makeup, drag makeup, you just like playing with makeup. Highly, highly recommend them. I don't remember the cost offhand. I feel like they were more or less around the same price as regular Ardell, so I don't know, anywhere from like $5 to $10, maybe $15. They're not super, super cheap, but they're not super, super expensive either. These are gorgeous. Highly, highly recommend them. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys next time.